y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my shop. And today I'm gonna make a poison apple. It's gonna be a gigantic version of the little apples because I don't have any little apples in stock, but I do have the ones I grew. These are apple gourds. Remember I fixed it about a month ago. I'm still trying to get the stem to stay. So if y'all hear any noise outside, hold on. My hubby is putting my underpinning on my building because he's off all week. So he's been doing, we've been doing a lot of stuff around the house that needs to be done for winter that we never got done or whatever. So hopefully I won't hear it. But, so we're gonna make this a poison apple. I have poison apples in my Halloween decorations that I made from, like, I want to say it was 2019. I'm not really for sure. I'm thinking it was 2019. I'm trying not to tear his little bedonkin off or whatever. His stem, bedonka. It got broke. I have a bunch of these, but they're in a part of the shed where my husband has taken over with all of his electronics. So there's just no getting to it. And unlike the candied apples and stuff that I make, he's not going to have a stick coming out of him. There's no, I mean, look, come on, y'all. Oops. He's a big one. So what we're going to need is, this is apple gourd, or you get those apples from Dollar Tree or Amazon. I'm going to paint it black because it's a poison apple. And because my colors are black, white, and orange, I'm going pumpkin orange on top. And anytime, because I'm not going to be dipping these, even if I did dip them, you need Mod Podge. Okay, that's what makes, you don't have to have puffy paint. You need your paint to run like it would be caramel or melted candy. So my black is a matte. And because I need it to be glossy, I'm going to go ahead and paint the whole thing gloss with the Mod Podge after I painted the black. So then I'm going to add Mod Podge to this little thing of paint. I'm going to pour some more paint in and I'm going to mix it up together. Then that's what I'm going to use to do the topping. And also in 2019, I made these sprinkles. I got this air dry clay from, I'm pretty sure it was Amazon. I got more colors than this. Right here, you can tell it's old now because it hasn't been opened. But I bought this kit from Amazon also. It's cake decorating and maybe fondant. Ooh, can't even talk. Well, I used this very bottom one here. It's almost like a Play-Doh thing when you press it out. 2019 also. And it was back when I first started baking. And I kind of got away from it. I don't know why, because it's fun and relaxing. But I think I'm going to use, well, I'm using orange, so I use the black and white because I'm not going to go for any other colors. Even though there are some Halloween colors. And these are just the little things from Dollar Tree. Do y'all ever get new paintbrushes and not want to use them? I'm like, I don't want to mess them up, so I don't use them. So I keep using the same ones over and over again. What is up with us crafters? Why are we like that? I don't know. I don't like that. Ugh. Hold on now. I was going to do a video standing up like I used to and film the whole thing, but man, I ain't wore makeup in over a week. I look like some homebody. I don't want to scare y'all. Y'all know I keep it real. I don't want to scare y'all. My husband's been off all week, so I have not got to tan. Started tanning and everything, and then I quit tanning. And I know not to paint the bottom first. Why did I just do that? Okay. I want to get back on here before I finish painting it. See the slick skin of it? After you put these up to hollow out, they got like a suede texture to them. And what I do is I get a steel wool pad and I just, underwater, just scrape it off where it's like that. So it's not the velvety. So that's a key, y'all. I wouldn't be having all this trouble if my little stem wasn't broken. Okay, we're going to let that dry, and then it should be glossy. See how much shiny the apple is now that I got the Mod Podge on it? It's almost all dry. Oop, I missed some. I'll have to get that. But let me mix up some of the mosquitoes ate me up out there. Some of this paint in here. Oh, I hate paint boogers. I need some squeeze bottles. Oops. You know, like you get for food, salad dressings and stuff. Oop. Now a lot of shaking. Ooh. I'm just putting a drop or so. Okay. And there we go, y'all. I don't want no little lines. I want my lines to be big because it's a big apple. too many drip edges. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry. I went ahead and went around with a wet paintbrush and fixed the places, see, like right here. So when this dries, I'm gonna go back and paint this area. I had to scrub a lot there because it was just too thin. And so I think I'm gonna go ahead and white sprinkles, or we're gonna go black. Let me see. Ooh. I wish I had some Halloween graffiti. We're gonna sprinkle the white ones on, maybe the black. While it's still wet. And they're all different sizes because it was my first time making sprinkles. So they're not perfect, but I made them. So that's all that matters. I got tired of cutting them. Should I add black, y'all, or is white good? Okay, I'm gonna let that dry and I'm gonna get back on. Okay, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all this even though it's not dry. Here's my poison apple. That way I can get this video out to y'all. Hope you like it. Bye.